Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to my beloved lecturer, Miss Rohaida. So today, first of all, my name is Israel Imran Azali. I'm a BSc student. This is my first year and my first sem. So basically, I will be presenting about basic accounting concept. The assignment one that I've got from you, Miss. It is a infographic poster basically. So basically we have 11 basic accounting concepts, but as was anticipated, you told me that I need to do only 5 because I do it in solo. So okay, let's not just wasting time. Okay, we shall start now. First of all is economic entity, as you can see here. Okay, economic entity is basically is a different. It is to differentiate in any private and personal incomes with the incomes from the revenue of the expenses of the business. So economic entity is basically the personal income, private incomes of the owner, such as owner's house. It should be differentiate. It should be excluded from expenses of the business. So that basically for the first one, economic entity, and the second one, money measurement. Okay, money measurement is basically all the transaction in the account, all the transaction in our ledger, in our account statement, in our accounting stuff is all we call it in terms of money. So basically in Malaysia we use the currency of ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so for example, market conditions, technological change, and the efficiency of management would not be disclosed in the accounts. So that's the things. That's the example for money measurement. And then we moving on to the going concern. Okay, going concern is such an important concept, so that the people that see the account, the people that see the condition of the company will notice that the business will continue to operate in foreseeable future. So the business is not expected to be closed, or okay, if the term of going concern is not included in the account, that means that the company is basically bankrupt. Okay, so for the example is business enterprise will have a long life and it will last long enough to fulfill their objective and commitments. Okay, okay. Now moving on to the historical costs in the basics accounting concept. So historical cost principle is basically says that all items in the accounting must be shown in the original price. Okay, okay. Let's see first in this poster to be more clear. Okay, assets should be shown on the balance sheet at the cost of purchase. It means that, like I've said before, like I have mentioned before, it must be shown in the original cost instead of the current value. Okay, as for the example that I've prepared for you, okay, let me see first. Okay, Amy bought a house with worth $50,000 in 1995. Today, the house market value is worth 150,000. However, she still records the house at the original price of $50,000, like I've mentioned before, in her accounting books even today. So basically, that's the meaning. That's the principle of historical costs in basic accounting concepts. Okay, now let's converse into the last basic accounting concept that I will be presented. So it is prudence. Okay, prudence is basically to help in minimization of losses. It helps to not overestimate the company's or underestimating the financial risk of the company. So as in the poster below, I mean in the poster in my laptop, shows that the meaning of prudence is do not overestimate the amount of revenues recognized or underestimate the amount of expenses. So, for example, we have the provision of doubtful debts, just like what we have learned, the liabilities and all of that in the company, so that the company can ensure that the financial risk cannot I mean, so that the company can make sure that they aware of any financial risk. They are not overestimate or underestimate any financial risk that they will face. So basically, that's all that I'll have to present. So thank you so much, Miss. Have a nice day and Assalamualaikum. Stay safe.